Good morning. I'm meteorologist Carissa Sanford. We've got a major winter storm system moving through the center of the country today, headed our way as we get into the evening hours tonight. We're starting off this morning with some sunshine out there on our Legion air camera, but you can see cloud cover already building in from the west. Very dark, very ominous on the horizon, and we're expecting that cloud cover to quickly move east and northeast as we head through the morning and into the afternoon hours. We're starting off in the teens early today. Our highs will reach the upper 20s, maybe a few low 30s this afternoon. But as we get into the 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour tonight, we'll start to see that snow building in from the southwest. A very large low pressure center now making its way from the Panhandle region up through Oklahoma and Kansas yesterday, and now making its way towards Kansas into Missouri and eventually headed towards Iowa, Illinois, and Wisconsin. Very heavy snowfall rates now making their way towards the Kansas City metro area. By the time we hit the evening hours, that'll be set to hit us. And that's when our winter weather advisory for all of the counties shaded in purple goes into effect at about 6 p.m. tonight. We'll see the heaviest of the snowfall during the evening and overnight hours with some possible icing and snow left over into tomorrow. And we'll see that winter weather advisory expire at around noon on Friday. So this morning, we're starting off with that cloud cover slowly building in. And then by about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, will pop up those snow flurries in the southwest. It'll overspread to the east and northeast by the late afternoon hours, looking for the heaviest of the snowfall during the late evening and early overnight hours. A lot of pink on our futurecast as well. That's indicative of some freezing rain and freezing drizzle mixing in overnight tonight and into early Friday. The best chance for that will be in the south and southeast as we get into the overnight hours, but I think for the bulk of our area, we'll see mostly snow. Flurries and freezing drizzle possible lingering into our morning commute tomorrow, and possibly a few flurries sticking around tomorrow afternoon as well. By the time all is said and done, we'll see widespread snow totals around 3 to 5 inches in our area. It'll certainly be more to the west and northwest, where they could see upwards of 5, close to 6 inches in our westernmost areas. As you make your way farther down to the south and southeast, probably going to see a bit more of that icing versus snow. So we could see about 1 to 3 inches of snow there, maybe a bit more, up to 1/10 of an inch of ice via freezing rain as we head towards early Friday. So a significant snow system in here by the late afternoon and evening hours. Highs today expected to reach the upper 20s. With the cloud cover and snow in the area, we won't cool back much, only looking at mid-20s for our lows. We'll see a few of those flurries and some freezing drizzle lasting us into the daytime on Friday before we clear things out and cool things off a tad on Saturday. Sunday is looking sunny and will start on a warming trend into the upper 30s and eventually low 40s by Monday. But that is when we'll see another storm system building into the area. A low pressure system making its way through will bring us a chance of rain and snow mix Monday night and lasting us into the daytime on Tuesday. And behind that, temperatures will slowly drop towards the low 30s by the end of